See some bigger one in the distance. Okay, so it looks like it's waning now, as you can see. So looks like the storm hasn't started just yet. Storm's not there yet, I mean. Looks like it's just going to wane first, and then we'll probably wait until the storm arrives. Oh, lighting's just beginning now. Wow, look at the shelf clouds. And look at the green colour. Looks like it's raining harder now, and thunderstorm is at us already. Look how cloud. So look how dark this cloud is. Looks green. Oh boy, it's raining. Oh. Wow. Oh god. Hope I got that. Oh. Very big. Oh. Getting bolts everywhere. Oh! Did you see that? Oh, it's a big thunder. Loud, isn't it? I missed that lightning. That was a big strike. It's very loud, this thunder. Well, that was the best thunderstorm I've ever seen. Usually I would always say, you know, how I see the best storms, but I think this one was amazing. Look at the sunset. I know it's covered by low clouds, but it's beautiful when you see it. Lovely sky. Yeah, so thank goodness I got to see Loud Thunder, because you know, when I do thunderstorm videos, I tend to miss out on it. And you know, then you have the close strikes with it, but it was on this side, so that's why I had to record on the other side, because I was scared I was going to get electrocuted. But yeah, we got some loud thunders, close strikes, and the wind was pretty heavy. The rain was blowing over to the floor, and it was blowing on me as well, that I had to come inside. I think the huge action is over. But yes, I really love the sunset. It's amazing. Beautiful. But yes, the next storm will be coming on, I think tomorrow's the next storm, yeah, and I'm not sure when the storm will be on, either in the morning or the afternoon, depends if it happens or not. And Saturday we'll be having a storm, and Sunday as well. I heard Monday we'll be getting a storm too, but I don't know if that will change or not. But yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. So yes, thank you very much for watching.